The moment I started my preparation, I had a lot of thoughts. How is this going to be? Am I capable of doing this? Can I compete with others? Will I be ready for this? For every thought, I had an answer. I backed up myself, prepared myself. But one thought that always frightened me, dragged me down many times, made me cry many times, and left me alone is, what if I don't get a seat? I think every one of you also had this thought. We all think, overthink, and overthink about it. Why don't we give a pause to that thought? Why don't we try looking onto the other side of that thought and see how beautiful it is? Do you want to know about it? Do you want to know how beautiful it is when you go beyond the thought of not getting a PG seat? I will tell you in this video. I am Dr. JT, General Medicine resident and a part-time YouTuber. And let's get into it. First, let me tell you guys a story. So during my preparation, one day my father came to me and asked, Beta, how is it going with the preparation? I said, yeah, pretty well. Then he asked me, Beta, will you get a seat? Then I said, yeah, that's what I'm studying for. Then he asked, what if you don't get a seat? What should be our next plan? Should we lend some money for your PG seat? Or will you study one more year for your PG seat? I listened to him. Yes, every parent will have that feeling. What if their child doesn't succeed? So yes, I heard him. And I told my dad only one line. Dad, your son is going to get a seat and that too he'll get it this year itself. Don't have these thoughts when your son is going to be a PG soon. I am confident but with fear. I am stubborn but having all that stress. But I never stopped believing in myself. I started my preparation with lot of hopes, lot of expectations and lot of fire built in me to achieve something, to give my parents something and to fight for what I need the most in my life. I know what I needed when I started my preparation. I want my PG seat, I want my dream branch and I am ready to do anything for that. But when I am in it, in the preparation, it seemed tough. It seemed horrible. It almost seemed impossible for me. Thoughts on giving up are building inside me. We all have these thoughts. Everyone will feel this sense of incapability in them during the preparation. Everyone wants to give up at one particular point. But why? We all love to get a PG seat. We all love to be called as a physician, a radiologist, a surgeon. We all want to enjoy the taste of success. But when it comes to the process, we don't love the process. Everyone wants to tell the world that yes, I did it, but we don't want to tell that I will work for it. We don't want to tell that I love working for what I want to get. Yes, this preparation is tough. This phase we are going through is tough. Life is tough. Life tests all of us to know how badly we really want the thing that we say we want it. Let it test us, let it crush us, let it drown us. But I want you to wake up. I want you to run for what you want. Fight for what you want. Counterattack the obstacles that you are facing. Do you need a seat? Do you really need a PG seat? Then make a statement that says never again. This is my first and last time to be in this phase. Never I will again be in this preparation. Never I will be in this stress. Be serious with your statement. Let world hear your statement. I will win this phase. Enough is enough. This is the time I pick up. This is the time I rise. This is the time I give a tough competition to myself and to everyone. You need to push yourself more. You're almost at the end of the rough road. You're on the final verge of getting what you needed. Put in some extra hours. Put in some new strategies. Be that tough guy. Be that one person who can do anything. Everything is going to change when you get a seat. Everything is going to be on your side. People who called you a loser will praise you. People who avoided you will come back. People who did not believe in you will be agonized to see your success. You will be lifted onto the top when you get a seat. You will be an inspiration to many. You will be a path to many. But this happens only when you feel that this is the time I leave the thought of quitting. Fear of not having hope, fear of losing, fear of not getting a seat. Put an end to this thought, because whatever state you might be in, whatever situation you might be in, and whatever marks you might be getting, this game is not over until you press the submit button on your computer screen on the exam day.